Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve test paper 18 of chapter 18, area of a trapezium. One question is written here. Question number 1. The base of a triangular field. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its height and its area is 1350 meter square. Find the base and height of the field. So let here given is base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. So let height equal to x and base equal to 3x. Height equal to x and base equal to 3x. According to question, area of the triangular field equal to 1350 meter square. That implies area of the triangular field is 1 by 2 into base into height equal to 1350 meter square. That implies 1 by 2 into base is 3x into height is x. So 1350. That implies 3 by 2 x into x square equal to 1350. That implies x equal to 1350 into 3 by 2 by transposition change into 2 by 3. So divide it. 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. Sorry, x square equal to 3 4 ja 12. 1 5 ja 15. So 3 5 ja 15 and 0. 450. Now that implies x square equal to 450 into 2, 900. That implies x equal to under root 900 equal to a square root of 900 is 30 meter. So find h equal to x equal to 30 meter and base equal to 3x equal to 3 into 30 meter equal to 90 meter. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 2 of test paper 18. In this question, find the area of an equilateral triangle of side 6 cm. Find the area of an equilateral triangle of side 6 cm. So given in this question, side equal to 6 cm. So therefore, area of the equilateral triangle area of the equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into side square equal to root 3 by 4 into side is 6 cm. So 6 cm square equal to root 3 by 4 into 6 square 36 cm square. 9 for the 36 equal to 9 root 3 cm square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4 of test paper 18. In this question, the area of a trapezium is 216 meter square and its height is 12 meter. If one of parallel sides is 14 meter less than the other, find the lengths of each of the parallel sides. Students, we know that the parallel sides of trapezium is a small a and a small b. So let a equal to x and side b equal to x minus 14. One side is less than 14 meter less than the other. So one side A x and B, then B x minus 14. Height h equal to 12 meter. According to question, area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium equal to 216 meter square. That implies area of the trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H equal to 216. That implies 1 by 2 into A. A is x plus B is x minus 14 into 12 equal to 216. So 12 is divisible by 2. 6 times 2 6 are 12. That implies x plus x 2x minus 14 and 6 here multiply. By transposition is changed into divide. So 216 divided by 6. Divide 216 by 6. 6 3 is 18. 6 3 is 18. 21 minus 18 3. 3 6 36 and 6 6 is 36. So 36. That implies 2x equal to minus 14 by transposition change into plus 14. So 2x equal to 36 plus 14. That implies 2x equal to 36 plus 14 equal to 50. X equal to 50 by 2 equal to 25 meter. Therefore, A equal to x equal to 25 meter and B equal to x minus 14 equal to 25 minus 14 equal to 11 meter. Answer. Students, understand and write this question. Students, next question is question number 6 of test paper 18. In this question, a field is in the form of a right triangle with hypotenuse 50 meter and one side 30 meter. Find the area of the field. So let ABC be a triangular field, rectangular field. Sorry, right triangle field. Let ABC be a right triangle field. Angle B is right angle. Hypotenuse H, AC is 50 meter and one legs is BC is 30 meter. So find AB in right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, AB equal to under root hypotenuse square AC square minus BC square equal to under root 50 square. AC is 50 meter, so 50 square minus 30 square equal to 50 square to what? 2500 minus 30,900 equal to under root 1600. 2500 minus 900, 1600 equal to a square root of 1600 is 14. So AB is 40 meter. So find area of the field equal to 1 by 2 into product of its legs. Product of its leg equal to 1 by 2 into 40 meter into 30 meter. 22 is 40 equal to 40 into 30. 3 to the 6, 600 meter square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 10 of test paper 18. In this question, each side of a rhombus is 15 cm. Each side of a rhombus is 15 cm. And the length of one of its diagonal is 24 cm. The area of the rhombus is, suppose ABCD be a rhombus. A, B, C and D. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD. We know that all sides of rhombus are equal. So 15 cm. and one diagonal is given 24 cm. So let diagonal D1 equal to 24 cm. Diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So diagonal AC diagonal D1 equal to AC. Diagonal D1 equal to AC equal to 24 cm. Diagonal bisect each other, so OA is 12 cm. So find OB in right triangle. In right triangle AOB. In right triangle AOB. OB equal to OB equal to under root. Longest side AB is hypotenuse. So AB square minus OA square equal to under root 15 square minus 12 square equal to 15 square 225 minus 12 square 144 equal to 225 minus 144 is 81. A square root of 81 is 9 cm. So OB is 9 cm. So diagonal D2 equal to BD. BD equal to 2 into OB. So 2 into 9 cm equal to 18 cm. So area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 equal to 1 by 2 into D1 is 24 cm into D2 is 18 cm. Divided 2 times 12 to the. So multiply 18 by 12. 18 to the 36 and 18 1 the 18. 6 8 plus 3 11 of 1 carry 1 1 2. So 216 cm square answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 18 of test paper 18. It is last question today. In this question, the area of a trapezium is 384 cm square. Its parallel sides are in the ratio 5:3 and the distance between them is 12 cm. The longer of the parallel sides is. They have given ratio of the parallel sides. 5:3. So let A equal to 5x and B equal to 3x. H equal to 12 cm. According to question, area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium equal to 384 cm square. 384 cm square. That implies area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. So A plus B into height equal to 384. Next step is 1 by 2 into A is 5x plus B 3x into height H is 12 cm. 12 is divisible by 2. So 12 6 equal to 384. Next step is 5x plus 3x 8x into 6 equal to 384. Now x equal to here 8 into 6 is multiplied here by transposition position is changed into divide. So that implies x equal to 384 by 8 into 6. 384 by 8 into 6 divided by 8 into 6. First it is divisible by 6 times. 6 6 are 36. 38 minus 36 equal to 2. 2 and 4 24. So 6 4 are 24. Now 8 8 are 64. So 8 cm. Find the longer side. So the longer side the longer side. So longer sides longer side of the trapezium equal to A equal to 5x equal to 5 into 8 cm equal to 40 cm. Answer. Students, understand and write it. Now, students, today your homework is solve test paper 18. Thank you. That's all.